and my dear friends. We are truly grateful for your presence on this special occasion. Today's program has been organized with great enthusiasm and hard work, and your support means a lot to us. We hope you enjoy the program and feel proud to be part of this celebration. I am Lisa Jahan, study in class 5 in Digital Academy. Today I am very happy because I have got a chance to say few lines in front of you. Today I would like to describe about digital system. Dear parents, do you know what is digital system? A digital system is an electronic system that processes and manipulates discrete data, and most commonly using the binary system of OS and IS. The Digital India program was launched on 1st July 2015 by our respected Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. This flagship initiative aims to transform India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy by making services available electronically and providing universal access to digital. Dear parents, do you know why do we need digital system? We need digital system including increased efficiency, accuracy and speed, reduced cost and errors, improved decision making, and enhanced communication and collaboration. Dear parents, the name of our school is Digital Academy. There are 4 digital systems in our school. In school, we see everything as well as with book and copy. Dear parents, we have to know everything about digital system because nowadays no work is done without a digital system. In earlier times, most work was done on paper and manually. It took more time and effort. But now, with digital system, we can complete many tasks in just a few seconds. We can send messages instantly, attend meetings online, learn from anywhere, and even show from home. हालांकि हमें डिजिटल सिस्टम का समझदारी से उपयोग करना चाहिए। स्क्रीन और सोशल मीडिया पर अधिक समय बिताने से हमारे स्वास्थ्य और पढ़ाई पर बुरा असर पड़ सकता है। हमें अपने डेटा को रखना चाहिए और ऑनलाइन व्यक्तिगत जानकारी साझा नहीं करनी चाहिए। In conclusion, digital systems are powerful and helpful if we use them in the right way. They are shaping our present and building our future. मैं डिजिटल सिस्टम पर एक शायरी पेश करना चाहती हूँ। वायरलेस में सिमटी है अब हमारी दुनिया, नोट्स इमेज डाटा हर चीज़ एक ही पंक्तियाँ। हमें नहीं चाहिए अब कागज़ों की किताबें, हमें नहीं चाहिए अब कागज़ों की किताबें, डिजिटल सिस्टम पर बसी है अब सारी यादें। हम सोच रहे हैं कि डिजिटल सिस्टम बहुत कठिन है हमारे लिए, तो मैं बता देना चाहती हूँ कि मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया, तो जरा हिम्मत तो कर, ख्वाब बदलेगा हकीकत में। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ दुनिया, तो जरा हिम्मत तो कर, ख्वाब बदलेगा हकीकत में, तो जरा कोशिश तो कर। So once again, a warm welcome to all of you. So this is where I am ending my speech. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nisha Jahan, for putting